Let's see some real customer stories.
I'm Sanjeewa Madhubashana. My business is Sense. I'm selling cosmetics, hair accessories, ornaments and jewelries. From the very beginning, I went to the SalesPlay. Then they introduced the software and the machine, which was a very good one and convenience one for me.
I have been using a SalesPlay point of sales machine since last year. It has helped me a lot, and I'm really happy about this product. It also connected with the cloud system. And I'm not in the shop, and anywhere, anytime, I can log into my tab or phone to the system and get the sales revenue figures and easily manage my business.
SalesPlay modern POS system helps me to carry business functions smoothly, and also we can display ads, offers and special promotions. I recommend this POS machine to other businesses.
SalesPlay, the next generation point of sales solution.